the salmon, onion and orange herbs. All of your oranges and onion and fresh herbs in pieces and start putting them on the salmon. Step is to put a lot of spices on your salmon, salt, pepper, and then you put on the fresh herbs, the onion, the orange, then the oil on top of your preference, olive oil, avocado oil. We take the fresh herbs and put them on the salmon. Then take the onion. Let's stuff the salmon with the onion. And you can put in between the salmon. So the salmon looks before we're going to be putting it in the stove to cook. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it will be tasty. Thank you for watching this. I hope that you enjoyed this video, that you learned something new and that you try this at home. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.